Growing up, parents got me a guitar. Said you could do anything, kid, you could go far. You could be the president, fireman, race cars. The sky's the limit, kid, so shoot for the stars. So I strum that guitar every day.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Durzolife. So it's been a long while since I posted anything. I was honestly a little discouraged and disappointed with how the channel was doing, as well as the quality of the videos I was making. I realized I have no direction in this channel. So now I've decided to give this YouTube thing another chance. In doing so, I've chosen a direction, the type of content I want to make. This channel is going to be about wrenching on things. It's what it always should have been. It may be how to do maintenance on a snowblower, or rebuilding a project car, to doing mods on your daily driver. If it's mechanical, it's gonna fit in here on this channel. If we're going to just chat about something, I'll take you along for a cruise with me, as we are doing right now. I find myself driving through some fairly picturesque areas. Whether you're along for the conversation or the cruise, it should be good times. The other thing I found was that I was trying to put out videos for the sake of videos. I'm not going to do that anymore. If I post something, it's going to be something I'm happy to put out there. That might mean there'll be days, weeks, possibly even months between videos. The thing is, I want to make something that you're going to want to watch. And without this channel making money, I need to fund everything myself, and by no means am I rolling in cash. So it may take a while to get supplies, tools, maybe even the projects themselves. So I'll ask that you click like, comment, and subscribe. All that helps me get closer to making cool content for you to watch. And yeah, until next time, thanks for watching Durzolife, and let's enjoy the scenic cruise.
Process all your dreams. A demon preys on the weak. You better watch out for me. Mistakes were made, you will see. You should have never crossed me, 'cause now you'll never stop me. Revenge was my calling. Now you're a dead man walking. And I'll haunt your nightmares. Little did you know that I like fear. When you turn, I'll be right there. You should be afraid, you should be scared. We're all alone, you're on your